10Web versus Hostinger or Elementor. Which website builder should you choose? Choosing the right website builder can make all the difference in how quickly you launch your site, how well it performs, and how easy it is to maintain. 10Web, Hostinger website builder, and Elementor are three popular options, each designed for different user needs and levels of experience. 10Web aims to provide an all-in-one automated WordPress solution. Hostinger offers a simple drag-and-drop builder with hosting included, and Elementor focuses on flexible, design-first site creation within WordPress. This comparison breaks down how each website builder works, so you can decide which one fits your project best. 10Web is an all-in-one website builder that leverages WordPress and automation to speed up building and managing sites. It combines hosting, a drag-and-drop editor, ready-made templates, and AI-powered tools like automated site creation and content generation. With 10Web, users get performance optimization, backups, security, and SEO tools bundled together, making it a streamlined platform for building websites without managing many separate services. It's ideal for users who want the power and flexibility of WordPress, with added automation and simplified setup. Whether you're creating a business site, portfolio, or blog, 10Web aims to reduce technical overhead while keeping customization accessible. Hostinger Website Builder is a beginner-friendly platform that bundles web hosting and an easy drag-and-drop site editor into one package. Designed for users who want to launch a professional site quickly, Hostinger offers intuitive templates and straightforward tools for adding pages, media, and features without any coding. Because hosting is included, you won't need to configure servers or install platforms manually. Everything is managed within one dashboard. Hostinger's builder is great for small businesses, personal sites, and simple online stores where ease of use and quick setup are priorities. Elementor is a powerful visual drag-and-drop page builder plugin for WordPress that gives users deep control over design and layout. Unlike all-in-one builders, Elementor works within the WordPress ecosystem, allowing you to build custom headers, footers, dynamic content, and highly tailored layouts with precision. It's popular with designers, developers, and business owners who want pixel-perfect design without touching code. With a large library of widgets and integrations, Elementor excels at complex, visually rich sites. It's best for those comfortable with WordPress and who want ultimate design flexibility while managing hosting separately. Feature comparison: 10Web, Hostinger Website Builder, and Elementor all serve different types of users. 10Web is excellent for those who want a powerful WordPress site with automation and managed services bundled in. Hostinger Website Builder is ideal for beginners or small businesses who want everything in one place with minimal setup. Elementor stands out for users who want deep design control on WordPress and are comfortable managing hosting separately. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity, all-in-one convenience, or advanced design flexibility. Final thoughts. If you want a streamlined WordPress experience with automation and hosting included, 10Web is a solid choice. If your goal is to launch a professional site quickly with beginner-friendly tools and included hosting, Hostinger's Builder is a great fit. If you're focused on custom design and advanced layout control and don't mind managing hosting, Elementor offers unmatched flexibility within WordPress. The best website builder for you depends on your experience level, design needs, and how much control you want over your site.